Hello, this is Adam, and let me begin by asking how you're doing this morning. I'm sure you must be wondering what this product is and how it can have a positive impact on your life. Well, wonder not, since I've created this video to help you learn more about this product. Through this video, I've provided you access to detailed information about this product. Details such as the benefits of using the product, as well as any possible cons associated with using the product, are all incorporated in this video. You will also have access in this video since I have also provided you with access on the tips on how you can use the product to maximize its profits. There are over $1,000 of bonuses money to be given to those who will be among the first to purchase this product. Visit my official website and make sure you do not miss out on this amazing opportunity.